Nice. Dang banks are just so dang muddy. What's up, little butte? What's up, dude? See you later, bro. Nice. And we got a little fishing line out. Sick. What a butte. Look at that little fishing line, too. Sick. That might have been in him. Wrapped around him or something. Look at that, that's sick. Getting a couple hits here. Nice little rainbows in here. Cuties. Little sockers. I need to re-oil up my reel. Man, if that sun could stay out, it would get nice, but man, it just won't. Quail. Mwah. Mwah. Come on, little guy. Nice. Oh, what a beaut. See you later, bro. Sick. Nice one. Back too. Nice. Oh, he got off. Back to back. That was sick. That was sick. Yeah, over here at Quail Lake. So I think that's number 4 hookup. Pretty nice. It's like 27 out right now. It's February 9th. And I was going to go riding today. But because of this cool weather that came in, not good. So anyhow, I figured let's get out today, do some fishing, and maybe we can go riding tomorrow. So anyhow, let's get back. Man, it's cold. Little guy. That's an interesting color. Not as bright as the other one. Wow. You're an interesting colored. Yeah, I'll see you later, bro. But boy. Had some unique speckles. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, it was tagging, man. These guys are aggressive here. So what was that, like 5 or 6 or something? Man, I was sick, but I'm waiting for the sun to come out. He just won't, because he just keeps getting back into this clouds or whatever, and makes things miserable. It's beautiful up in here right now, though. Glad I came out, man. I was sick though. Some nice hook up some nice little rainbows, so you know, stalkers, but not too bad. But I think I'm gonna jump in the truck and get my fingers to start working. We may be done, we'll see. So anyhow, look at the size of that dog. Jeez. He talked like, yeah, let's go over here. The owner's like, yeah, okay, we'll go that way. Ooh. Woo, my hands, man. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was fun. Just wanted to get out, man. Get out on this ride, so pretty sick. Caught some nice little rainbows. I haven't been over here for a while. It was real good there, and then it just fell off. I think because of the cold. And the clouds in and out, in and out, in and out. That just, yeah, it's not always the best thing. So, but anyhow, let's aim for a dirt bike ride or a fish tomorrow as well, and just get this February pop locking. So.